This high-frequency facial wand might look like a Star Wars laserbeam toy. It's not. It's a skin-stimulating device. For years, you guys have watched me incorporate high-frequency facial into my live beauty routines, along with high-frequency scalp stimulation. At 42 years old, my skin and hair have never looked or felt better. So I'm sharing the secrets with you of what I've been doing and using, plus a multitasking hack to help you get the most out of your high-frequency device, just like me. So I realize an electric current stimulating your skin and scalp might seem bizarre, of course, but also might appear painful. I'm here to assure you that it's neither. High-frequency sets come with different glass wand attachments, and these glass attachments are filled with different inert gases, such as argon or neon. And this clinical set by Nuderma includes fusion wands that have both argon and neon. When a glass wand is inserted into the handle and powered on, the glass glows along the glass tube while carrying the electric current to the end of the glass piece. At the base of the handle, there is a dial to adjust the current's power. Pure Daily Care, the makers of Nuderma High-Frequency Wands, suggest that beginners start on level 2. Pure Daily is also the sponsor of today's video, so I can't screw up. Just kidding. It actually means that we have the best deals on their products, so check the description box below to get the deal. Plus, obviously, since I've been using these devices for years, I was thrilled to partner with them and create this video for you guys. High-frequency devices like the Nuderma stimulate your skin with microcirculation. Increased skin circulation aids in diminishing blemishes and helps in serum penetration and hair thickening. As blood vessels dilate from electric stimulation, oxygen rushes in, nourishing cells, including hair follicles. So there are quite a few options online for high-frequency wands, so which one is right for you? Pure Daily actually offers 3 versions of their extremely popular high-frequency facial device. In fact, a great idea is to go to their website and check out the reviews because you can see how other people are using their devices and getting results. First, the best high-frequency wand for you is the one that matches your budget. You guys, do not go into debt on skincare. And make sure to subscribe. Okay, now it's time to dig in and compare kits. The Nuderma Classic is the most affordable. It comes with 4 neon-filled glass wands. Included is the Mushroom Wand. This is for general face coverage. The Spot Wand. This is for zapping 14-year-old and 42-year-old zits. The Tongue Wand. This can be used around your delicate eye area. And the Comb Wand, which is my favorite, and I'll show you in a little bit why. This entire Nuderma Classic set glows orange from the neon-filled glass wands. It will stimulate your skin, zap zits, and stimulate your scalp for thicker hair. So this is a great set to get you into high-frequency facial treatments at home. The Nuderma Professional is in the middle. It comes with 6 glass-filled wands. 3 are filled with neon gas and the others with argon gas. There are many thoughts on gases, whether certain ones are suited for different needs, or if the stimulation is the most significant factor. Either way, this is the standard explanation I see online for when to use argon or neon gases. Argon gas is great for treating acne and oily skin, while neon gas is preferred for treating signs of aging in the skin. In the Nuderma Professional set, 3 glass wands are neon-filled, they glow orange, and are best for anti-aging. It includes the Mushroom Wand, the Y-shaped wand. This is used on your neck and arms, and the Comb Wand with tungsten. The addition of tungsten is supposed to supercharge the efficacy. The second 3 have argon-filled wands. They glow purple and are best for oily skin. These include the Tongue Wand, the Spot Wand, and the Rod Wand with tungsten. This is great for your body, especially if you have acne. The Nuderma Professional set gives you a lot more flexibility at home with the 2 extra wands and the inclusion of argon and tungsten. The Nuderma Clinical is the top set. Like the professional model, the clinical model comes with 6 wands. But instead of struggling between neon or argon, they've actually fused the gases together in one single wand called the Fusion Wand. This set includes the Fusion Mushroom Wand, the Fusion Y-shaped wand, the Fusion Comb Wand with tungsten, the Fusion Tongue Wand, the Fusion Bent Wand, and the Fusion Rod Wand with tungsten. The Fusion Gas Wands glow blue. For me, I've enjoyed using all 3 versions over the years as they've developed and come on the market. So I just grabbed the one that's closest to me and use it. If I was repurchasing a high-frequency wand, I would get the Clinical because I just like the flexibility of being able to use the wands anywhere. Side note, eventually the gas inside these wands does run out, but exhausting them takes a lot of time, so don't worry. But with this in mind, I have been live using the high-frequency wand and my comb wand had run out. So I immediately switched and grabbed the rod, which I wasn't using as much, so it had a lot of gas in it. Then I treated the rest of my scalp with the rod until my replacement comb came. Pure Daily offers replacement Nuderma wands for purchase if your favorite one runs out. I just noticed in the user manual that it says to not use your glass probes for over 5 minutes, or it could exhaust the gas. So I think that was one issue in me compromising some of my probes in the beginning. Now that you've decided which Nuderma high-frequency wand is right for you, let's use it. So to use this bad boy, you need to start with a clean face. Pure Daily Care makes a line of skincare to complement their skin devices. This natural balanced gentle cleanser includes seaweed extract, which reduces inflammation. So once our skin's dry, it's time to add some serums. I'm using the Pure Daily Hyaluronic Acid and their multi-peptide youth serum for anti-aging. If I had acne-prone skin, I would want a serum with salicylic acid, like the pore-clearing BHA serum that Pure Daily Care offers. I'm pairing these topicals with the Nuderma Clinical High-Frequency Device with the Fusion Wands. I attach the mushroom head to the Nuderma handle, holding it right above its metal ring while applying downward pressure for a connection. I move the glass pieces around my face in quadrants for 1 minute per area. Water-based serums dry down fast, so I apply them once I'm at the treatment zone. Once I've completed my face, I turn off the device and remove the mushroom wand. At this time, if there's anything to zap, I switch to the bent wand and zap for 10 to 20 seconds on any blemish. Next, it's time to stimulate my scalp for thicker, healthier hair. So I switch to the comb attachment. Like our face, you can add hair serums and use the comb throughout your scalp to help stimulate and infuse your hair. This is my favorite high-frequency facial multitasking hack. For this hack, I like to add a sheet mask after my face has been treated for multitasking hydration while treating my scalp. After 4 minutes of scalp stimulation, I switch back to the mushroom head to run over my sheet mask. If your sheet mask is dripping like mine, you can switch to the Y wand and treat your neck as well. Following, I remove the sheet mask, massaging in the remaining mask serum and topping with a face cream, like this Pure Daily Care Essential Hyaluronic Moisturizer. Look at how luminous my skin looks after this at-home Nuderma high-frequency treatment. My hair has drastically improved after so much loss and damage that people actually ask me if I have hair extensions. So I hope you realize that you no longer need to spend a fortune or manage med spa appointments to have glowing skin or thicker hair. There are just so many ways for you to professionally care for yourself at home. And one way is by adding high frequency into your weekly routine. Oh, and by the way, this is not another device you're going to buy and forget about. Instead, join me weekly for my beauty live, where I use these devices all the time to help remind you to get yours out. And if you already have one, you know what a great gift the high frequency wand can make. So make sure to check below for the best deals on these devices and keep glowing, my friends. I'll see you on the next video.
I love that smell.